Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to turn on the live photo on iPhone XR. The device that I use iPhone XR, and I hope you understand these basic things about iPhone features. So to turn on the live photo on iPhone XR, it's so simple. You just need to visit or open your camera. If you cannot find any camera application on your home screen, slide into the left side until you come into the app library. Just type a camera, and after you found it, just go click it to open it. And now to catch the live or to activate the live photo, you just need to take a look on this upper side right here. There will be the three sections. So actually the live photo will be symbolized with this, but then if you cannot find this, you just need to go click this roast, and then you will explore the other section, and you just need to go click this symbols and go click on. And now you just need to go click the button and catch the moment, and then here is the result. So the live photo will bring you a move picture whenever you hold the picture. Hold up. So that's the way, guys, how to activate the live picture on iPhone XR. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.